Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to show you how we make chicken soup. So the ingredients are 1 Roma tomato, we got 1/4 of an onion, we also have 5 garlic cloves, we have 1 whole chicken cut up into pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and have a pot filled with water, again enough to make sure that the chicken gets covered. We're going to go ahead and cook this at a high heat. We can go ahead and start adding our chicken now. Once we finish adding our chicken, we're going to go ahead and cover it up, and we're going to go ahead and let it come to a boil, and it should take around roughly 10 minutes or so. Alright, so our chicken has come up to a boil, and we're going to go ahead and turn the heat down, and we're going to remove the white and brown goulets around the inside. This step you guys can go ahead and out if you don't want to go ahead and do it, but at home we don't like to keep it inside our chicken broth. So again, we're going to remove as much as we can, and we'll be back with the next step. Alright, so now our chicken broth looks a lot more cleaner, and we're going to go ahead and add the ingredients from earlier. The onion, the tomato, the garlic cloves. I didn't mention or showed it in the beginning, but we're also going to add salt. You can add however much you guys would like. We here added 1.5 tablespoons. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cover it up and let it cook in medium to low heat for about 15 minutes or so. Alright, so while our chicken is cooking, we're going to go ahead and get our vegetables ready. We are going to add half a cabbage, a chayote squash, 3 carrots, and 3 baked potatoes. You guys can use any vegetables of your choice. These are just our go-tos. Alright guys, so our soup has been cooking for about 15 minutes. We can go ahead and start adding our pre-cut and washed vegetables now. Okay guys, and to give it some more flavor, you guys can go ahead and add some cilantro or oregano. We added a tablespoon of dried mint because that's what we had in hand, and we're also going to go ahead and do a taste for salt. Ours needed a little bit more, so we added a half a tablespoon. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cover it up and let the veggies cook at a medium to low heat. We'll be back. Alright guys, so in total it's been about an hour. We're going to go ahead and check our veggies if they're soft. In our case they were, so now our soup is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back soon with another video. Thank you. Good?
Yummy. Caliente. No está bueno, pero está caliente.
Good.
Spicy.